Have you ever felt like nobody really gets you? Like your phone is full of contacts, but your heart feels empty? That feeling, having few or no friends, it's more common than you think.
Yeah, that's exactly how I feel. I mean, I have classmates and coworkers, but no one I really connect with.
You're not broken. Psychology tells us that some people naturally prefer smaller circles, and for others, circumstances make forming connections hard. But there are ways to feel less isolated and actually build meaningful friendships.
Really? But I've tried, and it feels like I just don't click with anyone.
That's normal. Sometimes past experiences, social anxiety, or simply personality traits like introversion make friendship building feel tricky. But it's not hopeless. You can start small, even with tiny steps.
Like what?
Begin by observing your comfort zone. Notice the people you feel safe around, even in casual ways, like a coworker who smiles or a neighbor you chat with occasionally. Small interactions matter.
Okay, I can try talking to people more casually, but what if I feel nervous?
That's where practice comes in. Psychology calls it social skill building. Start with listening, asking questions, sharing small thoughts. Over time, your brain and body get comfortable with closeness. Even online communities can help you feel less alone at first. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button, like, and share your thoughts.
And what about deep friendships? I want someone I can really trust.
Focus on quality over quantity. 1 or 2 close friends matter more than a crowd. Share your thoughts, show empathy, and be consistent. Friendships grow when trust and understanding are nurtured slowly.
So it's about small steps and patience, not forcing a huge social life.
Exactly. Understand yourself, take gradual action, practice social skills, and seek meaningful connections. Having few friends isn't a weakness, it's an opportunity to choose the right ones and build bonds that truly matter.
Subscribe, like, and comment now.